everyone, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and today's Wednesday, so we're reading a story. Today's story is Potato Pants by Laurie Keller. Let's get started. Okay, Potato Pants by Laurie Keller. Okay, Dick. Ooh, Potato is excited. That's why he's doing the robot. I call it the Pobot because I'm a potato. He's excited because today, for one day only, Lance Vance's Fancy Pants store is selling potato pants. Eee! Potato knows every tater in town will want a pair, so he's there early because, like the sign says, once they're gone, they're gone. I want the stripy pair just like the ones in the window, with stripy suspenders for added stripiness. Look at everybody going. What's this? Potato is upset. That's why he stopped doing the robot. He's upset about that eggplant who just walked into Lance Vance's Fancy Pants store. What's he doing here? Eggplants don't even wear pants. Yesterday was Eggplant Pants Day. Potato won't go into Lance Vance's Fancy Pants store now because of that eggplant. That eggplant is nothing but trouble. Yesterday, I was walking along, minding my own potatoey business. Pow! Out of my way! When he ran by me and pushed me right into a trash can. If he sees me in Lance Vance's Fancy Pants store, he'll push me again and ruin my brand new potato pants. Poor Potato. It's not easy for him to watch all the other potatoes walk by in their new potato pants. I love my new pants. We love ours too. Mine have big pockets. Mine have polka dots and ruffles. Mine are kind of scratchy. I need some potato underpants. Potato is losing his patience waiting for that eggplant to leave Lance Vance's Fancy Pants store. What's taking him so long? And if yesterday was Eggplant Pants Day, why is he here on Potato Pants Day? Potato Pants Day? That's ridiculous. Potatoes don't even wear pants. It's not ridiculous, grocery store lady. Ooh, the grocery store. They have potato pants. Maybe they've got potato pants too. What a clever potato. He figured out a way to avoid that eggplant and still get his potato pants. Hello, grocery store. Do you have any potato pants? Potato pants? Yeah, you know, pants that are made for potatoes. We don't have potato pants. Well, maybe your store called them something more like spud slacks, tater trousers, yam chaps? Any of those ring a bell? Heck, I could probably squeeze myself into a pair of cucumber cords if I had to. Do you have any cucumber cords? Sorry, sir. No clothing here, just food. Potato is not giving up. He's sure there's a way to get potato pants without having to face that eggplant. Think, think, think. Don't panic. I still have time. Actually, you don't have much time. There's only one pair of potato pants left on the rack. Only one pair of potato pants left on the rack? What will Potato do now? Potato pants! Out of my way! Only one pair left! What a brave Potato. He's not going to let that eggplant stop him from getting the last pair of potato pants on the rack. Potato pants! Where are they? I need potato pants! Bam! Rip! Yikes! Potato may be in for more trouble than he bargained for after that entrance. Oh no! Potato is too late! Where are they? Sorry, I just got the last pair on the rack. No pants. Okay, Potato. Let's take a moment here. Come on, deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That's it. I think the puffy clouds. Inhale, exhale. Oh, forget it. This is exhausting. Let it out, Potato. That eggplant ruined everything. It's his fault I didn't get potato pants. He has brand new perfect eggplant pants, but I'm totally pantsless. It's not fair. Actually, his eggplant pants aren't perfect anymore. Huh? You hit him with the door and they ripped all the way up the back. You can see for yourself. Here he comes. Oh, Potato, it's been nice knowing you. I've been looking for you, Spud. Potato is scared. If he had potato boots, he'd be shaking in them. I came back here to do what I should have done yesterday. What? Turn me into mashed potatoes? I'm here to apologize. I'm sorry I pushed you. I was in a hurry to get these eggplant pants. I hope you will forgive me. What? He's not turning me into mashed potatoes? Potato is shocked. His starchy little head is spinning. Forgive him? Why should I forgive him? He pushed me into a trash can. But I ripped his pants. His brand new eggplant pants. I don't know what to do. So, will Potato forgive that eggplant or not? I forgive you, Eggplant, and I'm sorry for ruining your new eggplant pants. Excuse me. Look, it's Lance Vance. We can fix your eggplant pants, and they'll be as good as new. And the sale is over, so you can have the potato pants on the mannequin in the window. Do you like those? Like 'em? I love 'em. Now that is one stripy potato. Potato's favorite thing about his new potato pants, besides their stripiness, is that they also make great robot pants, pobot pants, eggbot pants. The end. Oh, meet the creator of potato pants, Tuberto. Tuberto was inspired to create potato pants after not being able to find pants that fit him properly. He is now busy designing a full line of potato fashions for both the active and the couch potato. Well, I don't know about you, but I love this story. It's so fun and so silly. Well, till next Wednesday, I'll see you later and have a great day. Bye.